Ashish, welcome to your trades. Tell us quickly, each day we think that we should be cautious, but then it's another surprising day. And again, that's become more or less a trend, like Ashish, that second half of the day is completely opposite to what we see in the first half of the trading day. Again, another record level. What do this make out? Was that an expiry impact, or is it that a fresh breakout that you've seen on the index?
Hi, if you look at the overall market trend, I think it has been nearly 12 to 15 odd days since we have not seen a single close below the prior candle low. I mean, that's the simplest way to know which side the trend is and which side one should place their positions. And we can clearly see that happening. So when Nifty started moving up from 25,000, it has been 1,000-point rally, and there is not a single close below prior day low. So that's the direction of the trend, and I think it's futile to try to guess and catch a top here. There is absolutely no slowdown in momentum. We do not see any kind of a negative divergence yet, and the overall trend is positive. We can rather see a sector rotation when we can see the banking space outperforming, some metal space outperforming. There was PSU banks 2 days back that outperformed. So it's a very healthy sign. The advance decline ratio is doing well, and we can see stock specific action has continued. Having said that, on Nifty, I think we should be headed towards the level of 26,100 on the upside or possibly higher. On the downside, 25,850 is the near-term support. So any dips from here, use that as a buying opportunity for short-term to 26,100. And over next few days, I'm even expecting 26,450 levels to be touched. That's Nifty. If you look at Bank Nifty, I think Bank Nifty should continue to outperform because Bank Nifty is the underperformer, or rather was the underperformer about 2 weeks back. And it has touched the lifetime levels just around the levels of around 53,500. So a lot of catch up for Bank Nifty to do on the upside with Nifty. And I'm expecting Bank Nifty to move towards the level of 54,700 on the upside. And on the downside, the support for the index is the previous peak, which is around 53,500 levels.
Absolutely, yeah, Ashish. So there's a lot of catch up to do when it comes to the Nifty Bank. But tell us, which are the picks that you have for our viewers then?
The first pick is from the real estate space. If you look at Mahindra Life space, we can see a very sharp move on the upside. And this stock has not performed well over past few weeks, but has shown a very strong bullish candle in today's session. So looks like it is going to move on the upside with a strong momentum for the target of around 600 and possibly towards 650 levels. One can maintain a stop loss of 554. The next stock pick is HCL Technology. We can see that there was some profit booking across the technology space, but HCL Tech did not binge on the downside much, and rather it is now getting ready to move back on the upside. The overall trend is bullish. Looks like the fifth wave is starting as per Elliott wave on the upside in HCL Tech. We can expect a target of 1906, maintain a stop loss of 1719 on the downside. And the next pick is going to be Hindalco. Hindalco has given a breakout of an inverted head and shoulder pattern. The metals or the material usually starts rallying during this phase of the economic cycle. And I think Hindalco should do very well. We can expect some kind of a dip, use that as a buying opportunity, maintain a stop loss of 690 and expecting a target of 770 on the upside.
So Hindalco coming in from the metal, second straight day of the metal stocks gaining on. Thanks very much, Ashish, for bringing the views on the index as well as on the two specific recommendations. Thanks very much.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.